You can't do because y'all watching him.
Let him go!
Honey, I hate to say it, but I gotta get that truck towed.
Yes. Double check.
Well, Angel, it's ready to go.
Okay, John.
Told Ralph he could
Go look
take
at
a
it,
shower.
Holly. Go look at it. The sink is not hooked up yet still, right?
What's that?
My bathroom sink is not hooked up still yet, right?
You get it.
Go look at it, Holly. Go look at it. It's still missing the glass shower doors.
There he is. Look at him go. Look at him go.
The glass shower doors are still missing. And it's yep. And don't you have glass shower doors?
I don't know, because my kids kept popping them off the damn rack. They're so easy to pop off.
Well, we're gonna try them for a while. Right now there's just a curtain out. Yeah, right now there's just a shower curtain.
Kids are